everybody, if you are looking for something that provides red light therapy, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of this red light therapy for knees or shoulders? Who am I to say no? But no way whatsoever this being provided to be effective this review because I'm just here to keep it real. So this would be primarily used for knees, but can be used for shoulders or elbows because it comes with some additional accessories that allow you to have sort of a custom fit. This is what it looks like when it's going on a knee. You just lay it on top and then it has all Velcro straps that are elastic so you can cinch it down as tight or as loose as you want. It also comes with an extension so you can wrap it around your back and across your shoulder if you're wanting to use it, for example, let's just say on your shoulder. This is sort of a soft material that has 72 of these, let's just say, light module. There are two different types of light being emitted. One is red light and the other is near infrared light. And the red light is rated at 660 nm, and the near infrared light is rated at 850 nm. When these are on, you can definitely feel a light warm sensation coming off them, and then the lights do whatever they're supposed to do as far as red light therapy is concerned. The construction of this is set up to where it can be folded up and put in this travel bag that it comes with, all nice and neat. It does come with two different ways of powering this. One is via a USB, so if you have like a USB charging brick, you can plug that in and power it this way. It also does come with its own power supply that you can plug in just like this. When plugged into the provided power supply, you're gonna get about 10 feet worth of distance. Then the USB-C brick is about 3 feet long. This is not battery powered, so it has to be plugged in. So the LED display is very easy to use. So you have three settings as far as the light's concerned. You have just the red light, just the infrared light, or a combination of both going on at the exact same time. There is an option here to also use a pulse mode. So the light will be pulsating based on how you have the setting. And then you have a timer here that will range from either 10, 20, or 30 minutes. So if you're looking for some red light therapy and you're looking for something to deliver that, hopefully this answers any questions you might have. And we'll talk to you soon.